In today's video, I'll be discussing 3 business ideas that have the potential to generate significant monthly profits. These businesses encompass a mix of in-person and online ventures, catering to various interests and skill sets. Business number 1. For those who enjoy outdoor activities, consider starting a pool service business. This involves taking care of residential pools by cleaning them and ensuring proper water chemistry. Charging an average of $120 per month with 1 cleaning per week can easily accumulate to $10,000 per month with around 84 customers. Word of mouth can quickly expand your customer base, especially in new communities with pools. Business number 2. If you have a passion for photography, particularly real estate photography, this could be a lucrative venture. Offer professional photo shoots for house listings, charging around $200 per session and taking approximately 45 minutes. Introducing drone photography as an additional service can further increase earnings. With 33 photo shoots per month, you can achieve the $10,000 target. Business number 3. Tap into the online realm with a social media marketing agency. There are various types such as social media management, paid advertising on platforms like Facebook and Google, SEO services, article writing, YouTube video editing, and short-form video repurposing. Depending on the services provided, earnings can range from $1,000 to $10,000 or more per month. This online business is opportune, given the current digital landscape. I hope you find these business ideas insightful. Feel free to share your thoughts and questions in the comments, and I look forward to the next video.